ICSE Computer Applications 2026. Exam Blueprint and Smart Preparation Strategy.
Exam Pattern Overview. Total marks, 100. Section A, MCQ plus short answers, 40. Section B, Programming, 60. Attempt any 4 programs.
Section A, MCQS. 20 questions. 1 mark each. Focus areas, Java packages. Operators. Loops. Strings. Arrays. Most repeated MCQ topics. ASCII values. Typecasting. Operator precedence. Loops. String methods. OOP basics. Math class. Short answer questions. Convert math Java expression. Predict output. Loop conversion. Constructors. Arrays. Strings. Section B, Programming. Attempt any 4 questions. Each question equals 15 marks. Logic plus syntax plus output. High weightage programs. Slab billing. 2D arrays. String validation. Method overloading. Digit problems. Sorting. Slab billing logic. Used in electricity, courier, mobile bills. Uses if else ladder. Based on unit ranges. 2D array questions. Row sum. Column sum. Diagonal elements. Matrix norm. Largest element. Method overloading. Same method name. Different parameters. Example, add, int. Add, int. Palindrome. Reverse number. Largest digit. Sum of digits. Uses loops and modulus. Searching and sorting. Binary search. Selection sort. Compare and swap logic. Top priority topics. Loops with ++/. String methods. Constructors. 2D arrays. Slab programs. Predicted 2026 paper. Q3, Slab billing. Q4, Method overloading. Q5, Digit logic. Q6, 2D array. Q7, Sorting. Q8, String validation. Smart preparation strategy. Practice MCQS daily. Write programs regularly. Focus on loops and strings. Solve previous papers.